Hi, I'm Sean from Night Fision. Welcome to our plate drop video. We're gonna do a standard durability test. We're gonna drop them out of a f***ing helicopter.
3, 2, 1, dropping.
Tower Series 529 Bravo Juliet, moving short of runway 17 with IFR departure. Helicopter 37 Whiskey Alpha Noah with Towers Min.
Good morning, sir. 37 Whiskey Alpha North Ramp, present position departure. Southbound with an immediate left turn to the east.
Helicopter 7 Whiskey Alpha, see on course, cross the runway, departure ramp 3 at your risk, 1 to airport, free change of crew, stay flight.
Look at all those birds. Stay away, birds.
Fox 2.
Fox 2.
This helicopter has been specially designed around this porthole to drop hardware and other technologies, and this porthole is used to eliminate rotor wash and other outside influences. We're going to drop pistol slides out of it though.
Raven 1 is under actual comm check.
Yep, we got you.
Rock and roll.
Good call.
Good comm, good comm. Alright, so this is 300 feet. I'm going to come around and get all lined up.
So, last slide. I'm going to put a little flare on this one. Hold it upside down. Give it a little bit of corkscrew. Maybe better, maybe worse. We'll find out. Last drop coming up.
I'm gonna repeat your countdown to Josh, okay?
Roger.
Get it, just put it there. Get it ready. Alright.
You have the ball. In 3, 2, 1, dropping.
I heard that one.
I think I did too through Rachel's fucking
That last one.
radio.
I think that last one, we heard it through the radio. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Yeah.
We'll find out once we get down there. It's gonna take a couple minutes.